If you're trying to add attic ventilation but don't have soffit vents, you gotta know there are some pretty solid ways to keep your attic cool and dry without them. So, here's the deal. First, check if you can install gable vents on the sides of your attic. Those are super easy to add and really help air move through. Next, think about adding roof vents like turbine vents or static vents. They let hot air escape from the top, which is clutch for airflow. You can also try ridge vents if your roof design allows. It's a long vent along the peak that lets air out naturally. Don't forget about powered attic fans. They can push the hot air out faster, especially in summer. Make sure any vents you add are balanced, so air can flow in and out properly, even if you don't have soffit vents. Also, sealing up any air leaks inside your attic is key to keeping things efficient. If you're replacing insulation, go for something that breathes well so moisture doesn't get trapped. Lastly, always check local building codes before doing anything major. You want your new vent setup to be safe and legal. One of the biggest mistakes people make when adding attic ventilation without soffit vents is not providing enough intake vents to balance the exhaust, which leads to poor airflow and moisture buildup. The fix? Add intake vents where you can, like gable vents or wall vents, to keep air moving in smoothly. Another common problem is installing vents that get clogged with debris or leaves, killing airflow. Make sure to use vent covers or screens that keep stuff out but let air flow freely. Lastly, some folks forget about proper sealing around new vents, which can cause air leaks and energy loss. Make sure you seal edges well with caulk or foam. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about attic ventilation and other home upgrades. It also helps contractors get connected with people needing work, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.